Hello, welcome to my channel, Dancing in Dimensions. My name is Jackie and I'm an interdimensional videographer. I video and also see orbs, light beings, UFOs, isolated rain, and energy. So every year at English Bay in downtown Vancouver, they have fireworks and it draws about 500,000 people a night to the downtown core. And the majority of them are at English Bay. So I was curious to see what kind of energy I would capture after everybody left, and that's what these videos are. The first short video is interesting because of the beautiful orange orb, which was the first orb I saw when I turned on my camera. And this happened the night after I caught the beautiful orange being in Stanley Park. And the other videos are just a miasma of beautiful orbs.